In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Smartsheet Formula Handbook Template Set to quickly find formulas, learn functions, and improve your spreadsheet skills. First, open Smartsheet and go to your home page. Next, click the Create button and select Templates. Click Browse Templates or View All Templates to open the template gallery. In the search bar, type Formula Handbook and press Enter. When the Formula Handbook Template Set appears, select it and click Use Template to add it to your workspace. Once the template is created, open the Formula Handbook sheet. At the top of the handbook, you'll find an overview section that explains how the template is organized and how to use it effectively. Browse through the different categories included in the handbook, such as formula references, operators, functions, and troubleshooting guides. Use the formula reference sections to learn the syntax and purpose of commonly used formulas. Explore the functions section to find formulas for calculations, counting data, text manipulation, dates, and logical operations. If you encounter formula errors, review the troubleshooting section to identify common issues and learn how to fix them. You can also use the handbook as a quick reference whenever you're building formulas in your own sheets. As you become more familiar with the examples provided, try applying the formulas directly to your projects and workflows. The Formula Handbook Template Set is a valuable resource for both beginners and experienced Smartsheet users who want to work more efficiently with formulas. That's it! You've successfully learned how to use the Smartsheet Formula Handbook Template Set. Thanks for watching.